we are going to be having a look at the Pangshi, I hope I said that right, LED video light panel. I've used a handful of LED light panels. I use them for all of my videos. I really like having them, and I must say, out of all the light panels I've used, I think this one is the best and my favorite so far. I really like the features it comes with. All of the display settings are adjustable. You have a single knob with a push button, and you have a digital display to see what the settings are. The digital display will show you what your battery level is, and it will also show you what the Kelvin unit is. Now real quick, the Kelvin unit basically just shows the color of light. This light panel has a range from 3200K to 6200K. Now for reference, the lower the K unit is, the more yellow or orange the color will be, and then the higher the K unit is, the more white or blue the color will be. So for this one, if you turn it all the way down to 3200K, it's going to be a nice yellow color. If you turn it all the way up to 6200K, then it's going to be more of a white, almost blue color. I personally like it to have it right in the middle of those two, around 4700K, and this is kind of a nice mix between the white and yellow. I think it works well with my skin tone. This is something that you'll probably want to just play around with yourself to see what works for you. The other nice thing I like about this is because it's digital, when you turn it off and turn it back on, it saves all your settings, and you can go back to what you know your favorite settings are very easily, adjusting the knob. So as I mentioned, right now I am at 4700K. I'm at about 50% light. Let me go ahead and up this. Okay, right now I am at 100%, 4700K. Now let's adjust the Kelvin units. Now we'll adjust the Kelvin units so you can see the difference with that. So you just push the knob in. Okay, this is all the way at 3200. This is very yellow. And here we have 6200, which is kind of a blue-white light. And as I mentioned, I like going somewhere in between the two. Okay, right now, here is the light as dim as it will go, right around 10%. As I mentioned before, I really like this light panel. It comes with its own power cable, or you can use a battery that is not included, but I highly recommend that you get the battery just to make it easier to use. The only thing I don't love about this light panel is that the mount for putting the light panel on your camera, the hot shoe mount, it's not great. It can work really well, but it takes quite a bit of effort to screw everything on. I wish that was a simpler design so you didn't have to spend so much time getting it adjusted and working. Other than that, the light panel itself is fantastic. It has a really long battery life. It doesn't get super bright, but it's perfect for kind of up close things such as this. It's a really nice light panel. I highly recommend it. One of the slickest light panels that I've seen. The design looks really nice. It's really easy to use and great functionality.